Hello friends, this is Rajesh Shivraman. So today's topic is on leadership. Is your kid a leader? So in this video, I am going to cover 4 important points. My request is to watch this video till end because each and every point is very important and I'm 100% sure this is going to change the life of your kid. तो इस वीडियो में I am going to share a very interesting story about myself. How a introvert child has become a leader. So that also I'm going to share. Apart from that, if you like such type of videos, give your comments in the remarks and we will definitely going to make many more videos like that which is going to benefit other people. Point number 1. Does your kid listen to you? Very important question and pertinent. So the leadership starts from home. What you say and what you preach, that is not important. Because that is not going to be taken by your kids. What is important is that what action you take, what example you set, that your kid is going to follow. So first you have to set the example, you have to take the lead, you have to show the result. You have to show your kids that you have taken a task, you have worked upon on that, and this is a result. Result could be a failure or a success, that does not matter. Important is what you said, you have taken action on that and you succeed. So kids follow that. It goes in their subconscious mind. It impacts them. It influences them, not by preaching and only by speaking. So important thing is when you spend time with your kids, always take action, motivate them to take action, involve them, tell them the results, tell them the outcome which is going to help them and benefit them by taking action. So point number 2. Does your kid give lot of excuses? So really you have to find out why your kids give excuses. What is the reason behind it? Somewhere as a parents we are responsible for that because whenever they give excuses, जब भी आपके बच्चे एक्सक्यूज देते हैं हम उसको बहुत easily accept कर लेते हैं and your kid also understand कि मैं जब भी कोई excuses दूंगा मेरे parents उसको accept कर लेंगे. So it goes in their subconscious mind और उनको लगता है कि इससे मेरा काम बन जाता है. तो as a parents, as I said, first you have to get disciplined. First you have to show the leadership skills. तो आपको एक example set करना पड़ेगा and you have to be firm. And firmly you don't have to accept the excuses what they give. You have to sit with them and understand why they are giving excuses. Discuss with them. Involve them and understand and explore. How you explore? Ask 5 whys. Why? Everything will come out. Everything will come out why they are giving these excuses. And as we know, as an adult, we know excuses make people average. Whosoever gives excuses, we all know that they will remain average throughout their life. And as a parents we know that we don't want to make our kids average. We want them to explore their full potential and everybody has got lot of potential. It all depends as a parents how much input, how much self-awareness we give to them. Point number 3. Does your kids read books? Very important. Reading is very important as we all know. What we read that always has a better grasping with your kids. So motivate your kids to read good books on great leaders, autobiography. Let them watch good movies, motivational movies. And you have to be sure, as a parents, you have to create an environment wherein your kids come and discuss everything with you. So you have to make sure where they are spending their most of the time, with whom they are hanging out. जैसे आप सबको मालूम होगा, जब हम लोग भी छोटे थे तो हमारे पेरेंट्स कहा करते थे कि बच्चों अच्छी संगति में रहोगे तो अच्छे बनोगे और बुरी संगति में रहोगे तो बुरे बनोगे। तो हम इतना केयर नहीं करते थे, बोले क्या कह रहे हैं, एंड वॉट एवर यू वांट टू डू हम करते थे। बट आज उसी को हम अंग्रेजी में बोलते हैं कि यू आर ऑलवेज एन एवरेज ऑफ 5 पीपल, राइट? You are always average of 5 people. It means if you are spending time with good people, learned people, aware people, then you are also be like them. You will always be a better version of yourself. At the same time, suppose if you spend your maximum time with the people who does not have any ambition and they don't want to do something with their life, and they are average, they are not hardworking, you'll also become like that. So as a parent, it is very important to give awareness and education to your children to watch the right things. आजकल हर चीज़ बहुत easily accessible है, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. So it all depends what you watch. It all depends, like social platform is consuming you or you are using the social platform. It is very important. So that education you have to give from the beginning. Lot of time, because as a parents we don't have time, we don't spend time with our children. Are you sitting with your kid on daily basis at least 1 hour and discussing? That is very important. So by doing this only you can create the awareness and make them good leader. Point number 4, become a good mentor and a coach for your children, or send them to some good mentors and coaches. Let them learn something about public speaking, body language, and success. Definitely it is going to help them. It will inculcate leadership skills, it will enhance their confidence level, and definitely they will be a totally different version of themselves. तो मैं आपको एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ, अपनी स्टोरी। बेसिकली आई एम फ्रॉम ए स्मॉल टाउन जबलपुर एंड आई डिड माई स्कूलिंग एंड माई इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम देयर ओनली। तो जब मैं छोटा था, यूज्ड टू बी ए वेरी इंट्रोवर्ट एंड शाई चाइल्ड. So from where I picked up my small leadership skills, I will share with you, and I will share my small achievement. That time if I see today in retrospect, तो मेरे लिए उस वक्त एक बहुत बड़ी achievement थी. Like as I said, I used to be a very introvert child. तो my father, he is ex-army officer. तो उनसे definitely I took some tips. He used to teach me, he used to guide me. और स्कूल में आई यूज़ टू हैव ए मेंटर, जो मेरे मैथ्स के टीचर हुआ करते थे. ही यूज़ टू मोटिवेट मी टू टेक पार्टिसिपेट इन डिबेट, इन स्पोर्ट्स एंड इन सम अदर कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़, जो नॉर्मली मैं करता नहीं था. मैं ज़्यादा इनिशिएटिव लेता नहीं था, पार्टिसिपेट करता नहीं था. डर लगता था मेरे को कि मैंने पार्टिसिपेट कर लिया डिबेट में या किसी एक्टिविटी में पार्टिसिपेट कर लिया, एंड इफ़ आई डोंट परफॉर्म वेल तो लोग हंसेंगे, मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे. तो इस टाइप की काफ़ी फीलिंग्स आती थी. तो ये सोच के मैं पार्टिसिपेट करता ही नहीं था. तो अगर आज मैं देखता हूँ रिट्रोस्पेक्ट में, डेफिनेटली दैट वाज अ लिमिटिंग बिलीफ. मतलब मैं हिम्मत नहीं कर पाता था. सो एज आई सेड, माई फादर एंड माई मैथ्स टीचर, दे यूज टू बी माई मेंटर. दे यूज टू पुश मी, मोटिवेट मी. समटाइम दे यूज टू पुश मी वेरी हार्ड. So I remember gradually I started taking participation in debate, and then I started taking interest in sports. And you don't believe, after started playing cricket, I was reasonably become a good batsman. And in class 11th की बात है कि हमारी एक क्रिकेट की टीम उस वक्त, भाई बहुत पहले की बात है, जवाहरलाल नेहरू क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट हमारे जबलपुर में, इट वाज सेंटिनरी जवाहरलाल नेहरू क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट चल रहा था और हमारी क्रिकेट टीम का सिलेक्शन होना था। और नॉर्मली जो क्रिकेट टीम बनता है स्कूल में, वो 12th का जो लड़का है वो क्रिकेट कैप्टन बनता है। और मेरे को आज भी याद है कि दैट टाइम आई वॉज इन 11th, मैं 11th में था और पूरी स्कूल की जो फैकल्टी टीम बैठी और उन्होंने कहा कि जो क्रिकेट का कैप्टन हम सेलेक्ट करते हैं, एंड आई रिमेंबर दे सेलेक्टेड मी टू रिप्रेजेंट द स्कूल, दो आई वॉज इन क्लास 11th। और जैसा मैंने कहा कि 12th के लड़के को सेलेक्ट करते हैं, तो फॉर मी दैट वाज अ बिग अचीवमेंट। मतलब 11th में होकर मुझे स्कूल का क्रिकेट कैप्टन बनाया गया है, तो इट वाज अ वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर मी। एंड लेटर ऑन आई बिकम द स्कूल कैप्टन ऑल्सो, सो दैट वाज अनदर अचीवमेंट फॉर मी। सो व्हेन आई सी इन रेट्रोस्पेक्ट, फ्रॉम बीइंग ए शाय बॉय, इंट्रोवर्ट बॉय, जो कि नॉर्मली किसी में पार्टिसिपेट करता नहीं था, शर्माता था, डरता था, बट अगर आप देखो, अगर आपको कोई एक अच्छा गाइड मिल जाए, कोई आपको एक अच्छा मेंटर मिल जाए, वो आपको घर पे मिल सकता है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ योर पेरेंट्स, आपको टीचर मिल सकता है, या आपको कोई फ्रेंड मिल सकता है, कोई आपको अंकल आंटी कोई भी मिल सकता है, तो यू हैव टू सर्च फॉर सच टाइप ऑफ पीपल who can change your life. I hope you like this video. So my request is to subscribe, like, turn on the notification and show it to your kids. Spread this video in your contact sphere so that maximum people can watch and take benefit out of it. Thank you very much.